Hello and welcome to WR Guitar. In this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to play Layla by Eric Clapton. It is an absolute classic. If you haven't heard it, pause the video, go check it out on Spotify and then come back to me. So without further ado, let's get learning. Okay, so we're going to start with an open 3 hammer-on the A string. So that's 0-3 on the A string. And then we're going to do a 0-3-0 hammer-on pull-off on the D string. So that's 0-3 hammer-on the A, 0-3-0 hammer-on pull-off on the D. We're then going to go to the 3rd fret of the A with our first finger again and play an open D with the plectrum. So here are the first handful of notes: 0-3 hammer-on, 0-3-0 hammer-on pull-off, 3 on the A, open D. We're then going to jump up to the 5th fret of the A with our first finger and putting a power chord on. We're going to use our 3rd finger in the 7th fret of the D and we're going to do a strum. Then we're going to slide this power chord, which is a D5 power chord, to the 3rd fret, leading with our first finger of the A to a C5. So that's 5 on the A, 7 on the D, sliding down 3-5 to the C5. We're then going to take that shape down to the 1st fret and the 3rd fret of the D, so 1st fret on the A, 3rd fret on the D, and it will give us a B flat 5. So we've got we're then going to play an open A and a 3rd fret on the low E with our first finger. We're then going to grab the C5 again, which if you remember was 3rd fret on the A, 5th fret on the D. And we finish off the riff with an open A, a 3rd fret A, and a D5 power chord, which is 5th fret A and 7th fret on the D. So in slow-mo to finish off then. So there we have it, there's my tutorial for Eric Clapton's Layla. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today. If you've got any questions or suggestions at all, whack them in the comment box for me and I'll get back to you ASAP. If you like what I'm doing, then make sure you subscribe to WR Guitar so that you get weekly tutorials of mine straight to you. Make sure you click that bell as well, otherwise you won't even know I've done them. So until next time, have a good one, practice hard and I'll see you soon.